Have you ever visited a place and the thing that you kind of ended up doing like spur of the moment became the favorite part of your trip? That happened in a couple of different cities for us, but one was in Waco, Texas. Most people know Waco because of
Trip and join the games. I love you guys.
It was so funny having the RV in Waco because we were just driving through the city and then what seems like out of nowhere, there's these two huge silos.
We're at Magnolia Market.
The line is crazy.
It's pretty fun, but there are a lot of people.
One of the most amazing things about Magnolia Market is seeing how many people there are from like all over the country. But as much as we loved our time at Magnolia Market, our favorite thing in Waco ended up being this place called BSR Cable Park.
It's hard to describe exactly what it is, but it seems like there's this guy who's like, you know what'd be really cool? In the middle of Texas, let's dig a big lake that we can go wakeboarding on. And let's build a huge heated pond with water slides that launch people up into the air. And just for fun, let's also dig the world's largest lazy river.
We're going to Big Kahuna!
Woo! 3, 2, 1, go!
For me, this was probably one of the most underrated fun days of the trip.
There you go, buddy.
Aww, that's so cute!
Got a buddy.
Look at him run! We're running errands. I just went in like pouring rain and I slipped and look at the damage. And I'm soaked, wow.
We made it to Texas! Well, on the way out. This is on the way to Oklahoma. We swung back around.
And we don't have our things, so we're filling dirt in a cup.
Is this an anthill?
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing.